Hello mga ka-SeedWorks ko dyan. Nandito na ngayon sa Camarines Sur, sa Pili at mayroon dito nga FaBEx, Food and Beverage at mayroon dito tourism. So, gagawa tayo ng masarap na pagkain brought to you by SeedWorks sa Philippines. Napakasarap po talaga. Kaya pumunta na kayo rito dahil lahat ng gagawin ko, mayroon kayong regalo. Mayroon kayong mga pasabog. Kaya punta na kayo rito sa FaBEx ng Camarines Sur. Alright?
On behalf of the Camarines it is my utmost pleasure to extend one welcome to the Food and Beverage Expo and the second Food Tourism Expo.
For several years, the Food and Beverage Expo and the Bicol Tourism Expo have served as an effective platform for our local farmers and fisherfolk to promote their unique agri-products, connect with a wider market, and meet prospective customers.
Together, the first Pinoy executive chef, the brand ambassador of SeedWorks Philippines, a celebrity, host of Idol sa Kusina, CSCCI is truly proud and grateful to welcome on stage Chef Boy Logro.